In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Tablet section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, select OK at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, after that, name of my Huawei has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!